Welcome to this exam review from Birdsy, your AI-powered study partner. Be sure to like and subscribe for more videos. And don't miss what's happening in the lower corner of the screen. It could be just the thing you need to pass your exam. Let's get started.
Let's start with a review of the foundations of color theory and chemistry. Color wheel fundamentals, complementary colors, tone correction. What is the complementary color of blue on the color wheel? Is it A, green, B, orange, C, red, or D, yellow? The answer is B, orange. Complementary colors are opposite each other on the color wheel. Blue's complementary color is orange. Which color combination would neutralize a yellow undertone in hair? Is it A, purple, B, blue, C, green, or D, red? The answer is A, purple. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. Neutralizing involves using complementary colors. Purple neutralizes yellow, but it's easy to confuse with other cool tones. A client wants to tone down the brassiness in their blonde hair. Which toner should you use? Is it A, green toner, B, blue toner, C, purple toner, or D, red toner? The answer is C, purple toner. Brassiness in blonde hair often appears yellow or orange, so a purple toner is used to neutralize yellow tones. Which of the following is a primary color in the traditional color wheel? Is it A, green, B, orange, C, purple, or D, red? The answer is D, red. Primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. They cannot be created by mixing other colors. During a consultation, a client mentions their hair looks too ashy. What color should you add to warm it up? Is it A, blue, B, gold, C, green, or D, purple? The answer is B, gold. To counteract ashiness, which is a cool tone, adding a warm tone like gold or yellow can help balance the color. What is the complementary color of red on the color wheel? Is it A, blue, B, yellow, C, green, or D, orange? The answer is C, green. On the color wheel, the complementary color of red is green. Complementary colors are opposite each other on the color wheel and create contrast. Which color should be used to neutralize a green tint in hair? Is it A, blue, B, red, C, yellow, or D, orange? The answer is B, red. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. Red is the complementary color to green, but some might confuse it with other warm tones like yellow or orange. A client with a cool skin tone wants to enhance their natural hair color. Which complementary color should you suggest for highlights? Is it A, golden, B, ash, C, platinum, or D, silver? The answer is A, golden. For cool skin tones, warm complementary colors like golden or honey tones enhance natural hair color without clashing. Which two colors are mixed to create a secondary color on the color wheel? Is it A, red and green, B, blue and red, C, yellow and red, or D, blue and yellow? The answer is D, blue and yellow. Secondary colors are created by mixing two primary colors. For example, mixing blue and yellow creates green. During a color correction session, a client wants to remove the orange tones from their hair. Which color should you apply? Is it A, red, B, blue, C, green, or D, purple? The answer is B, blue. To neutralize orange tones, apply a blue-based toner, as blue is complementary to orange.
Have you noticed the code in the bottom corner? Next time you're stumped, take that code to birdsy.ai for immediate help and a free study session with Birdsy, your personal AI study partner. Plus, you'll get access to hundreds of additional questions, helping you move closer to passing your exam with confidence. The next time you're feeling unsure or stuck, give it a try.
Levels, undertones, pigment contribution, and tonal shifts during lifting. What is the primary undertone revealed when lifting hair from a level 5 to a level 8? Is it A, red, B, orange, C, yellow, or D, green? The answer is C, yellow. When lifting hair from a level 5 to a level 8, the primary undertone revealed is yellow. This is due to the natural pigment in the hair being exposed as the darker pigments are lightened. When lifting hair color, which factor primarily determines the resulting undertone? Is it A, developer strength, B, natural pigment, C, processing time, or D, hair porosity? The answer is B, natural pigment. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. The resulting undertone is primarily determined by the natural pigment present in the hair, not the developer strength or processing time. A client with level 3 hair wants to achieve a level 7 blonde. What undertone should the stylist expect to neutralize during the process? Is it A, orange, B, red, C, yellow, or D, blue? The answer is A, orange. Lifting from level 3 to level 7 will reveal an orange undertone, which the stylist will need to neutralize to achieve the desired blonde shade. Which level of hair color is considered the darkest? Is it A, level 3, B, level 5, C, level 7, or D, level 1? The answer is D, level 1. Level 1 is considered the darkest level of hair color, often referred to as black. During a consultation, a client with naturally level 6 hair wants to go platinum blonde. What is the primary undertone the stylist should prepare to counteract? Is it A, red, B, yellow, C, orange, or D, green? The answer is B, yellow. Lifting from level 6 to a platinum blonde will primarily reveal a yellow undertone, which needs to be neutralized for a true platinum result. What is the primary undertone revealed when lifting hair from a level 7 to a level 10? Is it A, orange, B, pale yellow, C, red, or D, ash? The answer is B, pale yellow. When lifting hair from level 7 to level 10, the primary undertone revealed is pale yellow. This is due to the natural pigment that remains after the melanin is lightened. When lifting hair color, which factor primarily influences the tonal shift? Is it A, developer strength, B, application time, C, natural pigment, or D, hair porosity? The answer is C, natural pigment. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. The tonal shift during lifting is primarily influenced by the natural pigment in the hair, not the developer strength or application time. A stylist is lifting a client's hair from level 4 to level 9 and notices a strong orange undertone. What should the stylist do to achieve a neutral blonde? Is it A, apply a red-based toner, B, use a green-based toner, C, increase the developer strength, or D, apply a blue-based toner? The answer is D, apply a blue-based toner. To neutralize the strong orange undertone and achieve a neutral blonde, the stylist should apply a blue-based toner, as blue counteracts orange on the color wheel.
Finding this exam review helpful? If you haven't already, like and subscribe for more videos that'll get you ready to pass.
hair structure, porosity, pH balance, and chemical reactions impacting color. What is the primary function of the cuticle layer in hair structure? Is it A, to provide color to the hair, B, to protect the inner layers of the hair shaft, C, to produce natural oils, or D, to determine hair texture? The answer is B, to protect the inner layers of the hair shaft. The cuticle layer protects the inner layers of the hair shaft and helps maintain moisture balance. It acts as a barrier against environmental damage. How does hair porosity affect the absorption of hair color? Is it A, low porosity hair absorbs color quickly, B, medium porosity hair does not absorb color, C, high porosity hair absorbs color quickly, or D, porosity has no effect on color absorption? The answer is C. High porosity hair absorbs color quickly. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. Porosity affects how hair absorbs and retains moisture and chemicals. Highly porous hair absorbs color quickly but may not retain it well. A client with highly porous hair wants a vibrant color that lasts. What should you consider when selecting a hair color product? Is it A, use a lower developer volume to deposit color effectively, B, use a higher developer volume for better color penetration, C, select a demi-permanent color for longer-lasting results, or D, avoid using any developer to prevent damage? The answer is A, use a lower developer volume to deposit color effectively. Highly porous hair absorbs color quickly but fades fast. Using a lower developer volume helps deposit color without excessive damage. What pH level is considered neutral for hair and scalp? Is it A, 4.5 to 5.5, B, 7.0, C, 3.0, or D, 9.0? The answer is A, 4.5 to 5.5. A pH of 4.5 to 5.5 is considered neutral for hair and scalp, maintaining balance and health. During a color correction service, a stylist notices the client's hair is resistant to color. What could be a contributing factor? Is it A, high porosity, B, low porosity, C, high pH level, or D, using a demi-permanent color? The answer is B, low porosity. Low porosity hair resists moisture and chemical penetration, making it harder for color to absorb. What is the role of the cortex in hair structure? Is it A, it provides strength and contains pigment, B, it protects the hair from external damage, C, it regulates moisture levels in the hair, or D, it is responsible for hair growth? The answer is A, it provides strength and contains pigment. The cortex is the thickest layer of the hair and contains the pigment that gives hair its color. It is responsible for the strength and elasticity of the hair. A stylist is preparing to color a client's hair that has low porosity. What should the stylist consider to ensure effective color absorption? Is it A, using a lower pH color product, B, applying heat to open the cuticle, C, choosing a lighter shade than desired, or D, using a clarifying shampoo before coloring? The answer is B, applying heat to open the cuticle. Low porosity hair has tightly closed cuticles, making it resistant to moisture and color absorption. Using a heat source can help open the cuticles for better color penetration. Formulation, developers and chemical interactions. Formulating with undertones, target levels, and natural remaining pigment. What is the primary role of a developer in hair color formulation? Is it A, to add shine to the hair, B, to activate the hair color and determine lift, C, to neutralize undertones, or D, to condition the hair? The answer is B, to activate the hair color and determine lift. Developers activate the hair color and determine the level of lift or deposit. They contain hydrogen peroxide, which opens the hair cuticle and allows color molecules to penetrate. Why might a stylist choose a 20-volume developer when formulating hair color? Is it A, to achieve moderate lift and gray coverage? B, to achieve maximum lift? C, to deposit color without lift? Or D, to neutralize warm undertones? The answer is A, to achieve moderate lift and gray coverage. Why this question may seem a bit tricky, the choice of developer volume affects lift and deposit. A 20-volume developer is commonly used for gray coverage and moderate lift, not just for lightening. A client with level 5 hair wants to go to a level 8 with cool undertones. What should the stylist consider when formulating the color? Is it A, use a warm toner to enhance the lift? B, use a 10-volume developer for maximum lift? C, use a cool toner to neutralize yellow undertones? Or D, use a 40-volume developer to ensure cool results? The answer is C, use a cool toner to neutralize yellow undertones. The stylist must consider the natural remaining pigment at level 8, which is yellow, and use a cool toner to neutralize warmth. When lifting hair from a level 3 to a level 6, what natural remaining pigment should be expected? Is it A, red, B, orange, C, yellow, or D, green? The answer is B, orange. Why this question may seem a bit tricky, understanding the natural remaining pigment is crucial. At level 6, the remaining pigment is typically orange, not red or yellow. A client with natural level 7 hair wants a darker, richer tone with minimal warmth. What developer and formulation should be used? Is it A, 30-volume developer with a warm tone? B, 20-volume developer with a neutral tone? C, 40-volume developer with a cool tone? Or D, 10-volume developer with an ash tone? The answer is D, 10-volume developer with an ash tone. To darken hair with minimal warmth, a 10-volume developer with an ash tone is ideal as it deposits color without lifting. What is the expected natural remaining pigment when lifting hair from level 4 to level 7? Is it A, red, B, orange, C, yellow, or D, green? The answer is B, orange. When lifting from level 4 to level 7, the natural remaining pigment is typically orange. This is due to the underlying warm tones present in darker hair levels. Why might a stylist choose a 30-volume developer for a client with level 6 hair, aiming for level 9 with cool undertones? Is it A, to deposit more color? B, to maintain natural warmth? C, to achieve the desired lift? Or D, to reduce processing time? The answer is C, to achieve the desired lift. Why this question may seem a bit tricky, a 30-volume developer is often chosen for its ability to lift hair by 3 levels, which is necessary to reach level 9. The cool undertones can be achieved with the right toner post-lift. A client with natural level 5 hair wants to achieve a level 8 with neutral undertones. What should the stylist consider when formulating the color? Is it A, use a 30-volume developer and a neutral toner? B, use a 20-volume developer and a warm toner? C, use a 40-volume developer and a cool toner? Or D, use a 10-volume developer and a neutral toner? The answer is A, use a 30-volume developer and a neutral toner. The stylist should consider using a 30-volume developer to lift the hair by 3 levels and a toner to neutralize any warm undertones that appear after lifting.
Notice the code in the corner? When you're stumped by a question, enter it at birdsy.ai for immediate help. Enjoy complimentary study sessions and access to hundreds of additional questions to help you pass your exam with confidence.
When formulating hair color for a client with level 3 hair, aiming for level 6 with warm undertones, which developer should be used? Is it A, 10 volume developer, B, 30 volume developer, C, 20 volume developer, or D, 40 volume developer? The answer is B, 30 volume developer. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. A 30 volume developer is needed to lift the hair by 3 levels. Warm undertones will naturally appear during the lifting process. Developer volumes, oxidation, lift versus deposit, and strength selection. What is the primary function of a 20 volume developer in hair coloring? Is it A, to deposit color without lifting, B, to lift hair color by 1 to 2 levels, C, to lighten hair by 4 levels, or D, to darken hair without any lift? The answer is B, to lift hair color by 1 to 2 levels. A 20 volume developer is primarily used for lifting the natural hair color by 1 to 2 levels while also depositing color. Which developer volume would you choose to achieve maximum lift in a single process? Is it A, 10 volume, B, 20 volume, C, 40 volume, or D, 30 volume? The answer is C, 40 volume. Why this question may seem a bit tricky, the term maximum lift might suggest a higher volume, but 40 volume is typically the highest used for maximum lift in a single process. Emily wants to lighten her hair by 3 levels and deposit a new color. Which developer volume should she use? Is it A, 10 volume, B, 20 volume, C, 40 volume, or D, 30 volume? The answer is D, 30 volume. A 30 volume developer is suitable for lightening hair by up to 3 levels while depositing color, making it ideal for Emily's needs. What effect does a higher developer volume have on the oxidation process in hair coloring? Is it A, increases oxidation, allowing more lift, B, decreases oxidation, reducing lift, C, has no effect on oxidation, or D, only affects color deposit, not lift? The answer is A, increases oxidation, allowing more lift. Higher developer volumes increase the oxidation process, allowing more lift and color penetration. A client wants a subtle color change with no lift. What developer volume should be used? Is it A, 10 volume, B, 20 volume, C, 30 volume, or D, 40 volume? The answer is A, 10 volume. A 10 volume developer is ideal for depositing color with minimal to no lift, perfect for a subtle change. What is the role of a 10 volume developer in hair coloring? Is it A, to lift hair color by 3 levels, B, to deposit color with minimal lift, C, to achieve maximum lift, or D, to lighten hair by 1 level? The answer is B, to deposit color with minimal lift. A 10 volume developer is primarily used for depositing color without lifting the natural hair color. It is ideal for toning or darkening hair. How does a 30 volume developer affect the oxidation process in hair coloring? Is it A, it slows down the oxidation process, B, it has no effect on oxidation, C, it accelerates the oxidation process, or D, it neutralizes the oxidation process? The answer is C, it accelerates the oxidation process. Why this question may seem a bit tricky, the term oxidation can be misleading. A 30 volume developer accelerates oxidation, allowing for more lift and color change, but it doesn't inherently change the oxidation process itself. Sarah wants to darken her hair by 2 levels without lifting her natural color. Which developer volume should she use? Is it A, 10 volume developer, B, 20 volume developer, C, 30 volume developer, or D, 40 volume developer? The answer is A, 10 volume developer. A 10 volume developer is ideal for depositing color without lifting the natural hair color, making it suitable for darkening hair. Ammonia, MEA, alkalinity, dyes, and how chemical composition alters results. What is the primary role of ammonia in hair dye formulations? Is it A, to add fragrance to the dye, B, to open the hair cuticle, C, to neutralize the dye, or D, to condition the hair? The answer is B, to open the hair cuticle. Ammonia is used to open the hair cuticle, allowing the dye to penetrate the hair shaft. This is essential for permanent hair coloring. How does MEA differ from ammonia in hair dye formulations? Is it A, MEA is more volatile than ammonia, B, MEA opens the cuticle more effectively, C, MEA is less harsh on the hair, or D, MEA provides a stronger color result? The answer is C, MEA is less harsh on the hair. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. MEA is often confused with ammonia due to its similar function, but it is less volatile and gentler on the hair. A client wants a vibrant red hair color, but her hair is very alkaline. How might this affect the dye results? Is it A, the color will be more vibrant, B, the color will not develop at all, C, the hair will become more conditioned, or D, the color may be uneven? The answer is D, the color may be uneven. Alkaline hair can cause the cuticle to remain open, potentially leading to uneven dye absorption and less vibrant color. A stylist uses a dye with high alkalinity on a client's hair. What is a likely outcome? Is it A, the hair cuticle may be damaged, B, the hair will become shinier, C, the dye will wash out immediately, or D, the hair will be more hydrated? The answer is A, the hair cuticle may be damaged. High alkalinity can cause the hair cuticle to open excessively, leading to potential damage and uneven color results.
Finding this exam review helpful? If you haven't already, like and subscribe for more videos that'll get you ready to pass.
Lightening, lifting, and corrective color. Lightening stages, melanin breakdown and controlling warm exposure. What is the primary role of melanin in hair color? Is it A, to protect hair from UV damage, B, to determine the natural color of hair, C, to strengthen hair follicles, or D, to regulate hair growth cycles? The answer is B, to determine the natural color of hair. Melanin is responsible for the natural color of hair, with different types and amounts determining the specific shade. During the lightening process, which stage is characterized by the appearance of a pale yellow tone? Is it A, Stage 1, B, Stage 3, C, Stage 7, or D, Stage 9? The answer is C, Stage 7. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. The pale yellow stage is often confused with earlier stages due to similar descriptions, but it specifically indicates a near-complete breakdown of melanin. If a client with dark brown hair wants to achieve a light blonde shade, what is the most important factor to control during the lightening process? Is it A, controlling warm exposure, B, increasing developer strength, C, reducing processing time, or D, using a higher volume of bleach? The answer is A, Controlling warm exposure. Controlling warm exposure is crucial to prevent unwanted brassy tones when lifting dark hair to a light blonde shade. Which type of melanin is primarily responsible for red and yellow tones in hair? Is it A, eumelanin, B, neuromelanin, C, trichomelanin, or D, pheomelanin? The answer is D, pheomelanin. Pheomelanin is the type of melanin that contributes to red and yellow hues in hair. A client complains of brassiness after a lightening session. What corrective action should be taken to neutralize the unwanted warm tones? Is it A, reapply bleach to lift further, B, use a toner with a violet or blue base, C, apply a deep conditioning treatment, or D, increase the developer volume? The answer is B, use a toner with a violet or blue base. Applying a toner with a violet or blue base can effectively neutralize unwanted warm tones like brassiness. What is the primary factor that determines the number of lightening stages required to achieve a desired hair color? Is it A, the client's hair texture, B, the natural level of the client's hair, C, the type of lightening product used, or D, the client's hair porosity? The answer is B, the natural level of the client's hair. A natural level of the client's hair determines how many stages of lightening are needed to reach the desired shade, as it dictates the starting point of the color change. A client with naturally dark hair wants to go platinum blonde. During the consultation, you notice their hair has a lot of red undertones. What should you prioritize to control warm exposure during the lightening process? Is it A, use a toner with a cool base, B, apply a higher volume developer, C, increase processing time, or D, use a clarifying shampoo before lightening? The answer is A, use a toner with a cool base. Why this question may seem a bit tricky, red undertones can lead to unwanted warmth. Using a toner with a cool base helps neutralize these tones effectively. Toning, filling, pre-pigmentation, and neutralizing unwanted tones. What is the primary purpose of pre-pigmentation in hair coloring? Is it A, to lighten the hair further before coloring, B, to replace missing pigments in lightened hair, C, to neutralize unwanted warm tones, or D, to protect the hair from damage during coloring? The answer is B, to replace missing pigments in lightened hair. Pre-pigmentation is used to replace missing underlying pigments in hair that has been lightened, ensuring the final color is even and vibrant. Why might a stylist choose to use a toner after lightening hair? Is it A, to make the hair appear darker, B, to lighten the hair further, C, to neutralize unwanted brassy tones, or D, to add more volume to the hair? The answer is C, to neutralize unwanted brassy tones. Toners are used to adjust the tone of the hair, often to neutralize unwanted brassy or yellow tones after lightening. A client with previously bleached hair wants a rich brown color. What is the best approach to achieve this? Is it A, pre-pigment the hair before applying the brown color, B, apply the brown color directly to the bleached hair, C, use a toner to adjust the hair to a neutral tone first, or D, lighten the hair further before applying the brown color? The answer is A, pre-pigment the hair before applying the brown color. Pre-pigmentation is necessary to add back the missing warm pigments before applying the brown color to ensure even coverage. When lifting hair color, what is the role of the developer? Is it A, to deposit color into the hair, B, to condition the hair during the coloring process, C, to protect the hair from damage, or D, to activate the lightening process by opening the cuticle? The answer is D, to activate the lightening process by opening the cuticle. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. Developers are often confused with color itself, but they actually activate the lightening process by opening the hair cuticle. A stylist notices that a client's hair has turned greenish after a color correction. What is the most effective way to neutralize this unwanted tone? Is it A, use a blue-based toner to neutralize the green? B, apply a red-based toner to counteract the green? C, lighten the hair further to remove the green? Or D, use a clarifying shampoo to strip the color? The answer is B, apply a red-based toner to counteract the green. Applying a red-based toner will counteract the green tones as red is opposite green on the color wheel. A client with previously lightened hair wants to achieve a cool ash blonde tone. What is the best approach to neutralize any remaining warm tones? Is it A, apply a warm toner to enhance the existing tones? B, use a toner with a blue or violet base? C, add more lightener to further lift the hair? Or D, apply a neutral toner to maintain the current tone? The answer is B, use a toner with a blue or violet base. Using a toner with a blue or violet base will help neutralize the warm yellow or orange tones in the hair, achieving the desired cool ash blonde result. Common corrective scenarios: overlifted, overtoned, or uneven results. What is a common corrective action for hair that has been overlifted during the lightening process? Is it A, apply more bleach? B, use a toner? C, wash with clarifying shampoo? Or D, apply a darker permanent color? The answer is B, use a toner. Overlifted hair often appears too light and may require a toner to add depth and correct the color. Using a toner helps to neutralize unwanted tones and achieve the desired shade. Why might a stylist choose to use a demi-permanent color on hair that's been overtoned? Is it A, to lighten the hair further? B, to strip the hair of all color? C, to gently adjust the tone? Or D, to make the hair more porous? The answer is C, to gently adjust the tone. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. Demi-permanent color is often chosen because it can gently adjust the tone without further damaging the hair, unlike permanent color, which can be too harsh. A client comes in with uneven hair color after a home dye job. The roots are significantly lighter than the ends. What is the best corrective approach? Is it A, apply bleach to the ends? B, use a clarifying shampoo on the roots? C, apply a toner to the entire head? Or D, apply a darker shade to the roots? The answer is D, apply a darker shade to the roots. Applying a darker shade to the roots helps to even out the color, creating a more uniform appearance between the roots and ends. Application techniques, timing and client variables. Application patterns, saturation, sectioning, and controlled processing. What is the primary purpose of sectioning hair before applying color? Is it A, to speed up the coloring process? B, to ensure even color application? C, to reduce the amount of color needed? Or D, to prevent hair damage? The answer is B, to ensure even color application. Sectioning helps ensure even color application by allowing the stylist to work methodically and avoid missing areas. It also helps manage hair volume and maintain control during the process. A client with thick, coarse hair wants a full color change. What is the most important consideration for the stylist when applying the color? Is it A, using a higher developer volume? B, applying color to the roots first? C, reducing processing time? Or D, ensuring even saturation and coverage? The answer is D, ensuring even saturation and coverage. Thick, coarse hair may require more product and careful sectioning to ensure saturation and even coverage, as it can be more resistant to color absorption. Hair condition factors: porosity, texture, density, and product absorption. What factor primarily affects the rate at which hair absorbs hair color products? Is it A, texture, B, porosity, C, density, or D, elasticity? The answer is B, porosity. Porosity is the hair's ability to absorb moisture and products. High porosity means the hair absorbs products quickly, while low porosity means it absorbs them slowly. Which hair condition factor is least likely to affect the timing of a hair color application? Is it A, texture, B, porosity, C, density, or D, elasticity? The answer is D, elasticity. Why this question may seem a bit tricky. Texture, porosity, and density all influence how color processes, but elasticity is more about the hair's strength and flexibility, not timing. A client with high hair density and low porosity wants a vibrant color change. What should you consider when applying the color? Is it A, increase processing time for better absorption, B, use less product due to high density, C, apply heat to speed up the process, or D, choose a lighter shade to ensure vibrancy? The answer is A, increase processing time for better absorption. High density requires more product, and low porosity means the color will absorb slowly, so longer processing time ensures even color saturation. Allergic reactions, patch testing, mixing accuracy, and safety protocols. What is the primary purpose of conducting a patch test before applying hair color? Is it A, to determine the final color outcome, B, to check for allergic reactions, C, to ensure the hair is clean, or D, to test the product's shelf life? The answer is B, to check for allergic reactions. Patch tests are primarily conducted to identify any potential allergic reactions to the hair color product before full application. A client has a history of allergic reactions to hair dye. During a consultation, you perform a patch test and the client shows no reaction. What should you do next? Is it A, skip the full application since the patch test was clear, B, apply the dye without any further precautions, C, proceed with the application but monitor for any reactions, or D, perform another patch test on a different area? The answer is C, proceed with the application but monitor for any reactions. Even if the patch test shows no reaction, it's crucial to proceed with caution and monitor the client during the full application due to their history.
Thanks for watching. If you found this exam review helpful, be sure to subscribe for more real-world practice and topic-focused study videos. And visit birdsy.ai to start your free trial of Birdsy, your AI-powered study partner.